Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Porch Coffee. I'm supposed to be leaving back out tomorrow, and nothing feels right. The house is not like I want it. The truck is not like I want it. And I'm not like I want to be. It feels like I'm carrying this whole load by myself. And on top of that, I'm watching my money, my health, and my future. I'm scared, y'all. Scared of falling behind again and going back out over the road like this. One thing about it, and two things for sure. I can't control anyone else's actions but mine. So I'm asking myself one question. What's the one step I can take that my future self will thank me for? I might be scared, but I'm still moving. This is Rebuild Uncut.